Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel JD Cars and Bikes. For getting an update of a used car like this, all you need to do is subscribe my channel and get that notification bell icon on. So today we are in front of Maruti Suzuki Ritz, and it's a 2009 model single owner used vehicle. Only 45,000 kilometers done on this odometer, and no reversing done or tampering done on it. It's a pure petrol, comes with a VXI variant, comes with 4 power window, power steering and the AC, and it has a central lock system. So as you can see, the vehicle has been maintained in very good condition. So it's a mid variant vehicle, LXI, VXI and ZXI. It's a VXI, it's a mid variant vehicle. And the tire size of this vehicle is 165/80R14, which is all 5 tires are of 14 inches. And this tire has a life of up to 40 or 50% button. Now moving on to the boot.
Touching is the way.
So this space of a boot space you get in this car, and you get another stepney over here. So this tire also has a life up to 40 or 50% button. So now moving on to the rear door side. So on the rear door side you get a split seat again. So this means a split seat, and you get a headrest, adjustable headrest over at the rear seat, and you don't get any armrest over here. And this is a leather upholstery, comes with an aftermarket work done with this car. And on the rear door pad you get a power window switch and the lock and unlock lever with the grab handle and the speaker over there, same as on that side too. On the left side, same as that right side door. On the co-driver side seat door you get a power window switch and the lock and unlock lever with the grab handle and some storage space with a bottle holder and a speaker over there. Moving to the engine now. So here you get a I don't know the exact configuration of this engine. It's I think it's a 1.2 or a 1.3 liter inline 4-cylinder engine, which produces 16 to 18 km per liter in the city. So this car needs to get wash once. Now moving on to the driver side seat door, you get a 4 power window switches over here and the lock and unlock lever over there, and the grab handle and the speaker board and some storage space with the bottle holder. So the side view mirror adjustment, you get a manual one. You get a lever over here. It can be adjusted by this lever. It's a manual one. And in the rooftop we get the 2 sunshades. For the co-driver side seat sunshade we get only a mirror, and for the driver side seat we don't get any mirror. And at the rooftop we get a reading light over here. On the dashboard we get a 4 AC vents. This is a 1, 2, 3 and the 4. And here it's some sportive RPM I say, and it's a stock one, not an aftermarket one, which comes with a Maruti Suzuki company itself. Wait, I'll on and show you the car. So very smooth, and as you can see, this car has just covered around 45,621 on its odo. No reversing done or no meter tampering done on this car. It's a genuine reading. which you're seeing on this Odo. And coming onto the dashboard, you get some storage space over here, and our infotainment system comes of a Sony brand, and you get a AC vents and the AC controllers over here, and here is a 12-volt charging socket with the 5-speed manual gear lever, and here is a cigarette ash tray with a handbrake lever, and this size of a glove box you get in this car. And there is some storage space over here too. I have mentioned all the contact details with the price and the address in the Google Map link in the description box below. Go and check it out once. It will be very easy for you all to reach here. And there is a extra feature in this car which I'll show you right now. The extra feature, if all the windows are down like this, if you lock it once, it goes automatic for the upside. It locks like this, so all the 4 power window will get locked, not by manually, it will be locked by from the remote itself. So that's it. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and do not forget to comment below. Thank you.